It is a very good topic for me because that's why I'm very happy because and today is my topic to speak on corruption. It is a very good topic for me because that's why I'm very happy because I am know very well and you also very know very well about corruption, and nowadays in every field, in every department, always corruptions. So I want to talk about our Indian which type corruption have done. So nowadays corruption in every department, in every sector, in every field. So I want to talk in education system. Education system also corrupted, and they are private sector and private schools and private colleges. They are many charges. What we say. Extra charges for fee and for interview preparation and for practical for anything, so they are taking more charges to student. So this is also is corrupted, or in our Indian politics, always corrupted person, politics department always corrupted. So politician every time take many type of advantage to us, and they do promises many types, and they don't give any type of advantage for people and for us. So in every sector, in every department, corruption is always.
What is the root cause of corruption in India?
Corruption done by peoples, and peoples every corruption do by for money and for their power, for money and power. If a politics, so he always go for money, politician, so they or he or she, they always go for money and power, because if they are in power then they can do anything. If they have money they can do anything and they can achieve anything. So corruption's root of corruption is money and power. Okay.
As you mentioned that means corruption. So what do you think, is there any solution how we can stop it?
Yeah, we can stop if we are educated. Then if I being a businessman, then I not think about my profit. I think about to give some advantage for my employees, and I want to give some profitable parts to for my employee. And politician also can stop this, because they have many type of works, and they have many type of rules to provide for like Yogi ji like a politician. So we can stop it. 100% we can't, but we can.
They always do. Even they are means they got that position means they have a good knowledge now. So why they are taking? Even they should not.
We can't say about 100% people, but 50% percent people can stop, and they can leave, and they can do for some peoples. That's all about my side. Thank you for being a good audience.